I'm Shailendra Singh Rathore, and basically I'm from India. If I say precisely in Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I came in Georgia in 2015. We were the first batch in our university. I was studying in Caucasus International University (CIU), and on this month in this month I have just recently graduated. The 6 years program of the medical program have been completed, and I'm very thankful to the TCH hostel. When we were the first here, we were not knowing anything about Georgia, not knowing the language, not knowing the people how they are, not knowing anything. But the staff of the TCH hostel, they just guided us very well with any of the transportation services or any of the TRC services or any of the services which we require, and they just cooperated us with very good food and also with a good hospitality. And also, if I conclude, there if someone is new, we can face a new problem in the foreign country because we don't know exactly where we can find the Indian spices or Indian restaurants or any of the Indian things which we mainly require because we are coming from our homeland and we are going to a foreign country. So it's basically very good thing to just go to an Indian hostel and just see to it, like, and see what else it is required to be here.
So mostly various places you already visited in Georgia. So which place you like most for tourism?
For tourism, now we all know, if you ask any of the student here, they will say Batumi. But if you have to see the beauty of Georgia, the nature of the beauty, the nature of the Georgia, you should go Mestia, you should go Kazbegi, or if you are a beach lover in summers, you should go Ureki, or we say Batumi as well as. But there are various places in Georgia to visit.
So when you was not here, many people there was like some people who are not have good English conversation or something like in India, and many people saying like MBBS is very tough job. It's
No,
not for
not at all. If you are not fluent in English, as I was not that fluent in English in the earlier stages of when I came into Georgia. But as you will be living here, you will have many of your friends from other nationalities also, or any other people who are roaming around, and you can have a good conversation with them, and you can it is not coming spontaneously to you. It will come slowly to you, and you will be a good confident guy here in Georgia.
okay. So what about the Georgian people and culture?
First of all, if you know, if you are calm to them, they are very good to you. If you are like, it's up to us how we react to them. If you are in India, there are some people who don't like you, and there are some people who likes you. So it's only depending on you how you treat them. If you argue with them, they will argue for sure, because you are a foreigner in their country. So but if you are very calm to them, they will be a very good, and they will just feel you like you are back to your home, and you will feel like you are in India only.
So what about the Georgian weather? Is it too cold or
No, even when I came, I thought it will be a winter country, like it will be because many of my friends, when I was coming to Georgia, they said it's like -10 or -15. They just made my ears go wrong with the all information. But if you Google it also, or you will just, if you will see to my experience, I was not a winter lover, but when I came here, the winters in Georgia is very good. And personally now, instead of summers, because now I will be going back to India, but I will just miss the winters of Georgia because it was so good. And like it is, the winters are very beautiful. If the snowfall is happening, you will just enjoy the nature of Georgia.
okay? So what about the TCH hostel? Do you like food? How many points you want to give in out of 100? Say
I came in TCH hostel in 2015, and it's a bang on. I will just give it 10 on 10 because it's so good. It was so amazing. And because when you are new, you don't know anything about where you will find the what we say Indian food or Indian restaurant or Indian anything. But where, if you're coming directly to a foreign country, Georgia, and you're coming to to Tbilisi Classic hostel, you will see Indians around you, a positive, good atmosphere around you, a Indian atmosphere, Indian food, delicious food. That's all. I will say just 10 on 10. You should at least, if you are in coming to Georgia for the starting, you should only come to Tbilisi class, because I have seen many of the students also. I've been in my university, students, juniors contacting me. This thing happened in my hostel. This thing, hostler says, but there is no thing that I can deny for Tbilisi Classic Hotel. It's the best. I didn't heard any of the complaints in my ears. Also, when I was living outside, I didn't heard any complaints regarding Tbilisi Classic Hostel.
So thank you so much. We wishing you
Thank
good
you.
life for the, and also best of luck for MCI test.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank you
thank
so
you
much.
so much for
Thank you
your
so much.